Ooh, already. Yea, though I walk through the valley of death, I shall fear no evil, no man, no creature. Cause I stand alone, with only one man by my side. Name is Jesus Christ, believe that. Soldier boy gon' get you.
Yes, he's real, cause I felt the touch. I received the blessings and his mercy embraced my life today. Even though I roamed through the valley of death, through every step he kept me from going astray. I should have been washed away,
ejected from this earth,
had suicide contemplate.
and it hurts, but I'm still here trying to grind it out, looking for my purpose in life, wondering what's it all about. But I know I'm living, cause his grace is sufficient. I could have been worse, beneath the dirt, open prison. My mission's unknown, but what's known is that he's the gospel, the only virgin bone. I'm just a Simone, trying to grab a hold of life, trying to do right, and I ain't going out without a fight. Cause somebody prayed for me and told the Lord to watch over me. So I'm knowing he's blessing me, letting me extend my faith, even though I can be irate, straight corrupted in my mind state. As the pedal remains to the floor on a day-to-day, home on my knees, straight praying to the Lord, appreciating survival. He's held accountable of every breath I take, every day I wake, every bullet I shook, every wound that was healed leads me to know he's real.
Yes, he's real, cause I felt the touch. I received the blessings and his mercy embraced my life today. Even though I roamed through the valley of death, through every step he kept me from going astray. I should have been washed away,
ejected from this earth,
had suicide contemplate.
and it hurts. He's as real as it gets, the finance and debt that'll comfort your pocket when you didn't have a pot to piss in. No question about it, if you dwell close in his grip, please believe his love's never doubted. None can amount to the amount he holds, cause it's long, everlasting, and that's for sure. This is for the non-believers, struggling in place, can't find a way out this race. He's the finish line, where the pain is ended in pieces, mended, and a soldier can find that peace of mind. Read between the lines, or the red print, God's only beloved son, straight heaven sent. Evidence is the lane that walk, death risen to become a living testimony of the man that brought sight to the blinded eyes, demon out the wretched soul, conversation to the mute, believe he'll make you whole. God bless the souls that bear tragedy, seek ye first the kingdom of God, and great things shall be added unto thee. Heaven, bleed out your blood for me so that I can be covered with the ticket to eternity before death murders me and gets me killed. I put my trust in his mighty name cause I know he's real.
Yes, he's real, cause I felt the touch. I received the blessings and his mercy embraced my life today. Even though I roamed through the valley of death, through every step he kept me from going astray. I should have been washed away,
Ejected from this earth,
had suicide contemplate.
and it hurts.